Part 1. Introduction. We live in an age of unprecedented technological advancement. From smartphones to self-driving cars, artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming our world. Machines are becoming smarter, more capable, and more autonomous than ever before. Agentic AI is not just about automation. It's about creating systems that can think, learn, and act independently. These systems are designed to operate with a degree of autonomy, making decisions and taking actions without constant human supervision. Imagine a world where your car could not only drive you to work, but also navigate traffic, find parking, and even refuel itself. This is the promise of Agentic AI, to create systems that can handle complex tasks with minimal human intervention. However, this new era of intelligent machines also raises important questions about safety, ethics, and the future of work. To understand the full potential of Agentic AI, we need to delve into its key characteristics. What sets these systems apart from traditional AI? What makes them agentic? One defining feature is their autonomy. Unlike rule-based systems that simply follow pre-programmed instructions, Agentic AI systems can operate independently, making decisions and adapting to changing circumstances without constant human input. Another key characteristic is their goal-oriented nature. Agentic AI systems are designed with specific objectives in mind. Part 2. Defining Agentic AI. Section 1. Autonomy and Independence. Agentic AI stands out for its ability to operate autonomously. This means these AI systems can function independently, without constant human supervision. Think of a self-driving car. It doesn't need a human driver to constantly steer or control the pedals. It can analyze its surroundings, identify obstacles, and make real-time decisions to navigate safely to its destination. This level of autonomy is a defining characteristic of Agentic AI. This autonomy stems from the AI's ability to learn and adapt. By processing vast amounts of data and identifying patterns, Agentic AI can refine its understanding of the world and make increasingly sophisticated decisions. Section 2. Goal-oriented behavior. Agentic AI is inherently goal-oriented. These systems are designed with specific objectives in mind, whether it's completing a task, solving a problem, or achieving a desired outcome. Let's consider an AI-powered personal assistant. You can ask it to schedule an appointment, and it will not only add it to your calendar but also consider factors like your availability, travel time, and potential conflicts to find the optimal time slot. It proactively works towards the goal of scheduling the appointment in the most efficient way possible. This goal-oriented behavior is driven by sophisticated algorithms that allow the AI to plan, strategize, and anticipate outcomes. At the heart of Agentic AI lies its impressive decision-making capability. These systems are designed to analyze information, weigh potential outcomes, and make informed choices, often surpassing human capabilities in speed and accuracy. Imagine an AI system designed to manage traffic flow in a busy city. By analyzing data from traffic cameras, sensors, and even weather forecasts, the AI can dynamically adjust traffic light timings, optimize traffic flow, and reduce congestion in real time. This decision-making prowess stems from the combination of vast datasets and advanced algorithms. Agentic AI can process and analyze massive amounts of information, identifying patterns and extracting insights that would be impossible for humans to discern. Agentic AI systems are not limited to pre-programmed responses. They exhibit remarkable adaptability, adjusting their behavior and strategies based on the specific context of a situation. Consider an AI-powered customer service chatbot. It doesn't just rely on pre-written scripts. It can analyze a customer's query, understand their sentiment, and tailor its response accordingly. This adaptability is powered by machine learning algorithms that allow the AI to learn from every interaction, constantly refining its understanding of human behavior, language nuances, and situational dynamics. The more data it processes, the better it becomes at navigating complex social interactions and adapting to unforeseen circumstances. Part 3. Applications of Agentic AI. Agentic AI is no longer a futuristic concept confined to research labs. It's already woven into the fabric of our daily lives, perhaps most visibly in the form of virtual assistants. These digital companions, residing in our smartphones and smart speakers, are prime examples of how Agentic AI is transforming the way we interact with technology. Consider Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. They're not just voice-activated search engines. They can understand your commands, learn your preferences, and perform tasks like setting reminders, making calls, and even controlling smart home devices, all with a simple voice prompt. They operate with a degree of autonomy, anticipating your needs and proactively providing information or completing tasks. The automotive industry stands on the cusp of a revolution, driven by the transformative power of Agentic AI. Autonomous vehicles, once a staple of science fiction, are now a tangible reality, poised to reshape our relationship with transportation in profound ways. These vehicles, equipped with an array of sensors, cameras, and sophisticated AI algorithms, can perceive their surroundings, make real-time decisions, and navigate complex environments without human intervention. They can analyze traffic patterns, anticipate potential hazards, and execute maneuvers with a level of precision and speed that often surpasses human capabilities. Autonomous vehicles have the potential to enhance road safety by reducing human error, a leading cause of accidents. They can optimize traffic flow, reducing congestion and emissions. The world of finance, characterized by its complexity and rapid-fire decision-making, has become a fertile ground for the application of Agentic AI. Increasingly, financial institutions are turning to AI-powered systems to navigate the complexities of the market, manage risk, and optimize investment strategies. Agentic AI algorithms can analyze vast datasets of financial information, identify patterns, and execute trades at lightning speed, far exceeding the capabilities of human traders. These systems can monitor market trends, assess risk factors, and adjust investment portfolios in real time, adapting to market volatility and capitalizing on fleeting opportunities. Beyond trading, Agentic AI is also transforming other aspects of finance. AI-powered chatbots are being deployed to enhance customer service, providing personalized financial advice and answering queries with speed and accuracy. Section 4. The future of gaming intelligent NPCs. The gaming industry, always at the forefront of technological innovation, is undergoing a transformation powered by Agentic AI. Gone are the days of predictable, scripted non-player characters or NPCs. Agentic AI is breathing life into virtual worlds, creating more immersive, challenging, and unpredictable gaming experiences. Imagine NPCs that can learn your playstyle, adapt to your strategies, and challenge you in ways you never anticipated. Agentic AI enables game developers to create NPCs that are no longer mere obstacles or quest givers, but intelligent agents that can think strategically, cooperate with or compete against players, and even exhibit emotions. Part 4. Benefits of Agentic AI. Section 1. Unlocking efficiency, automating the mundane. Agentic AI's transformative power lies not only in its ability to perform tasks, but in its potential to radically enhance efficiency across various domains. By automating repetitive, time-consuming tasks, Agentic AI frees up human capital, allowing us to focus on more creative, strategic, and fulfilling endeavors. Consider the manufacturing industry, where robots powered by Agentic AI are already transforming assembly lines. These robots can perform repetitive tasks with precision and speed, tirelessly working around the clock without the need for breaks or sleep. This automation translates to increased productivity, reduced production costs, and improved product quality. Section 2. Beyond human limits, handling tasks at scale. The human mind, while remarkable in its capacity for creativity and ingenuity, is inherently limited in its ability to process vast amounts of information, perform complex calculations, and make decisions at lightning speed. Agentic AI transcends these limitations, offering unparalleled scalability and processing power to tackle challenges that would be insurmountable for humans alone. Imagine analyzing millions of financial transactions in real time to detect fraudulent activity, a task that would be impossible for human analysts to perform with the same speed and accuracy. Agentic AI excels in these scenarios, sifting through mountains of data, identifying patterns, and making decisions at a scale and speed that far surpasses human capabilities. This ability to handle tasks at scale has profound implications for scientific discovery, financial modeling, and even personalized medicine. Section 3. Real-time responsiveness, adapting to a dynamic world. In an increasingly interconnected and fast-paced world, the ability to respond to events in real time is paramount. Agentic AI empowers us to move beyond reactive approaches and embrace a proactive stance, anticipating challenges, and adapting to dynamic situations with a speed and agility that traditional methods simply cannot match. Consider the realm of cybersecurity, where threats are constantly evolving, and the window of opportunity to prevent a breach can be measured in milliseconds. Agentic AI systems can monitor network traffic, detect anomalies, and neutralize potential threats in real time, providing a crucial layer of protection in an ever-evolving threat landscape. Section 4. Empowering innovation, freeing human potential. Agentic AI frees human potential by taking on repetitive tasks and processing information at scale. This allows us to focus on creativity, empathy, critical thinking, and innovation. Imagine doctors spending more time on patient care and research. Picture artists exploring new creative avenues with AI tools. This synergy between human ingenuity and AI's power can unlock solutions to pressing challenges. Embracing this partnership shapes a brighter future for all. Part 5. Challenges and ethical considerations. Section 1. The dilemma of control, ensuring predictable behavior. As we relinquish more control to agentic AI, the question of control looms large. How do we ensure these intelligent agents operate within predictable and desirable boundaries? Balancing AI autonomy with control mechanisms is crucial. Designing systems that align with human goals and values requires ethical frameworks and safety protocols. Embedding ethical considerations into AI algorithms ensures transparency and alignment with human values. Ongoing dialogue between developers, ethicists, and policymakers is essential. Robust feedback loops and kill switches allow for human intervention. Maintaining the ability to override AI actions ensures safety and accountability. The goal is to guide AI innovation responsibly, empowering humanity without compromising values or safety. Striving for fairness in AI. AI systems can inherit biases from their training data, leading to unfair outcomes. Addressing this requires diverse datasets, transparent algorithms, and rigorous testing. It's a technical and societal challenge, demanding fairness and equity in AI. Section 3. The accountability question, who's responsible when AI errs? As AI systems become more sophisticated, accountability takes center stage. If an AI system errs, who bears the responsibility? Developers, users, or the AI itself? Clear accountability is crucial for trust and ethical development. Legal frameworks and industry standards can help. Collaboration between industry leaders, policymakers, and the public is essential to navigate AI's ethical challenges. Section 4. Building trust in AI, transparency and explainability. Trust in AI requires transparency and explainability. Users need to understand AI decisions. Explainable AI, XAI, aims to make AI decision-making clear. Transparency fosters collaboration and trust. Understanding AI helps improve and validate systems. This is essential for ethical AI development. Section 5. The future of work. Navigating the shifting landscape. The rise of agentic AI raises profound questions about the future of work. As machines perform tasks once exclusive to humans, how will this impact the job market and society? Some fear job displacement, while others see new opportunities and enhanced productivity. Navigating this landscape requires education, upskilling, and adaptability. Investing in training programs is crucial. The future of work is about empowering humans and creating a collaborative environment with AI. Part 6. Conclusion. We stand at the precipice of a new era, defined by intelligent machines. From virtual assistants in our pockets to autonomous vehicles on our streets, AI is shaping our world. This new era presents opportunities and challenges. Agentic AI can revolutionize industries and address global challenges, but it also raises ethical questions. We must navigate these responsibly. The future with AI is one we must actively shape. The journey into the age of agentic AI is not one we take alone. It requires a collaborative effort, bringing together the brightest minds from diverse fields, AI researchers, ethicists, policymakers, business leaders, and citizens, to guide the development and deployment of AI in a manner that benefits all. This collaborative spirit must extend beyond national borders, fostering international cooperation and dialogue to establish global norms and standards for ethical AI development. The challenges posed by AI are not confined to any one nation. They are global in scope, requiring a unified response to ensure that AI serves as a force for good in the world. Education plays a crucial role in this endeavor. By equipping future generations with the skills and knowledge to understand, interact with, and shape AI technologies, we empower them to become responsible stewards of this powerful tool. We must foster a sense of curiosity, critical thinking, and ethical awareness, ensuring that future generations are prepared to harness the potential of AI while mitigating its risks. The future with agentic AI is not a preordained destination. It's a path we forge together, guided by our values, our ingenuity, and our shared commitment to creating a better future for all humankind. As we venture into the age of agentic AI, we must embrace excitement and responsibility. This technological revolution can reshape our world. It's a time to push human ingenuity, explore new knowledge, and develop solutions to long-standing challenges. With agentic AI, we unlock new realms of discovery, enhance creativity, and build a future where technology empowers progress. Yet with this power comes responsibility. We must ensure AI development is ethical, address risks of bias and job displacement, and strive for a future where AI benefits all. The age of agentic AI is upon us. Let us embrace this moment with wisdom and courage. Shape a future where intelligent machines augment human potential. Foster a world where innovation flourishes and technology empowers a brighter future for all.